Hey everybody, how you doing today? Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Traxxas Bigfoot. Now I'm really excited about this unboxing because it reminds me of when I was a kid. I can remember my dad taking me to my first monster truck show. The smell of the fumes, the loud noise, the destruction, and I've always really wanted to get one of these Bigfoots. But what stopped me was I already had the Stampede. I was like, well, it's pretty much the same truck. I don't want to get it. But they had it on sale. They had like 30 bucks off, and I couldn't help myself, so I bought it. So let's start unboxing this thing, see what you get. Alright, when I do an unboxing, I don't see it until you see it. So I've never actually seen one of these Bigfoot monster trucks in person. So I want to see how the finish is and just how it looks. Oh, there goes the seal. Okay. Oh, there it is. Wow. That looks amazing. Okay, let's put the truck aside here for a second. What it comes with. This one actually comes with the charger. I don't normally buy the RC cars that need a charger because I already have a charger. But that's the only way that the Bigfoot comes. It comes with a DC charger. It plugs into your car. Now this doesn't really make sense to me. I think Traxxas should just give you a wall plug-in charger because you're probably going to use it when you're at home. I mean, how many times are you really going to use a car charger unless you're just out somewhere? But they sell an adapter for this for, I believe it's $25. I'll put a link in the description below. Also put a link in the description for this Bigfoot. If you don't have a hobby shop near you and you can't give them your business, you know, sometimes you just have to go online. Comes with the manual, of course, yeah, blah blah blah. A few stickers, shock adjusters, we got the pins, and it has the high-speed gearing. On the box it says 30 miles per hour. It won't do 30 miles an hour out of the box. You have to put this high-speed gearing in, and you can do 30 miles an hour then. But if you run in the grass with the high-speed gearing, it'll overheat. So just keep that in mind. I usually don't put the high-speed gearing in mine. Alright, so let's take the plastic off this thing. Wow, the body on that, it just really looks amazing. The finish, the coloring, and it actually has like a metallic paint there. I'll show you a little bit closer here in a minute. The lights that go on the light bar, they come separately and they just snap on. That's just so they don't break. In shipping, last thing you want to do is get something broken. This also comes with a battery right here. And they got this thing sealed up like a drum. Okay, so these lights, you just push them on the back of the bar, like that, and there you go. Okay, now these, oh, I got a flat spot there, probably from it sitting for so long. That'll come out. I just have to run it a couple times. There we go. These tires do not come with foam. I don't know if it's just to make it a little bouncier, like a real monster truck, but I really like the look of these tires. I mean, they look amazing. The wheels look good, and something else you'll notice is the chassis is not gray. The Bigfoot comes with all black parts as far as for the chassis, which is really cool. I don't know why Traxxas doesn't make them all black. Maybe it's because it doesn't show the scratches as much with the gray. Okay, let's not forget the controller. It was in the bottom of the box. I was like, yeah, you gotta show the controller. It's just the basic TQ controller, has steering trim, and that's about it. So let's get you a closer look here. That really looks good. Let me see if I can get close enough to where you can see the metal flake in that. I don't know if you can see that or not. It might be hard to see on the camera. But the finish on this is really good. Underneath the body, alright, let's take this thing out for a run. This truck really brings back memories when I was a kid, and it's fun to drive. It looks great. It looks even better outside under the natural lights. I'm happy I bought it. I was kind of had some regret when I first got it, but I'm glad I did. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the Bigfoot. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.